1,000 Bites of History, exploring kimchi's ancient roots. Kimchi, the vibrant and pungent soul of Korean cuisine, boasts a history as rich and layered as its flavor. Journey back centuries to an era before refrigeration, where Koreans sought ways to preserve their precious harvest. The earliest forms of kimchi emerged, not as the spicy condiment we know today, but as simpler, salted vegetables. Imagine a time when winters were harsh and food was scarce. Kimchi, with its incredible longevity, provided a lifeline of sustenance. These early iterations, though less complex, laid the foundation for the culinary masterpiece that would evolve over millennia. From these humble beginnings, kimchi evolved alongside Korean history. Buddhist influences encouraged vegetarian practices, shaping kimchi recipes to incorporate fermented soybean paste. The Mongol invasions brought new ingredients like chili peppers, forever altering kimchi's flavor profile. The alchemy of flavor unveiling kimchi's fermentation secrets. The magic of kimchi lies in its transformation, a dance between nature and time. Fermentation, a process older than history itself, unlocks a symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas. At its heart, kimchi relies on lactic acid bacteria, microscopic alchemists that thrive in the salty brine of the kimchi pot. As these tiny organisms work their magic, they break down sugars, producing lactic acid. This acid imparts the characteristic tanginess, the signature funk that kimchi lovers crave. But it's not merely about sourness. Fermentation creates a complex interplay of tastes. Imagine a chorus of flavors, sour notes harmonizing with subtle sweetness, a whisper of umami, and a crescendo of spice. The longer kimchi ferments, the more pronounced these flavors become, resulting in a depth and complexity that's hard to resist.